This is our 4G smart format camera. The model number is H1. It comes with high definition camera, 13 megapixel, and 4000 mAh battery. Let's take a look at the functional buttons. This is the PT voice talk button and photo capturing button and the video recording button. And this is the SOS button and the volume up and volume down. And also this is the Type-C charging port and for memory card slot.
Successful wearing. Failed wearing.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Photo capturing and video recording will upload to the dispatcher.
Taking picture.
You see?
Taking picture.
In the report, you can see the photo captured have uploaded to the dispatcher, and the same with the video recorded.
Recording begin.
Long press the button to record the video, and long press again.
Record end. Record time 8.
Yeah, and also at the same time, the video recorded also upload to the dispatcher. Long press the SOS button will send the video call to the dispatcher. Long press. We'll adjust the camera load direction. And long press again to end the video call.